Venint d'altres empreses que la figura aquesta queda molt llunyana, tenir aquí les persones que han muntat això, veure que realment el projecte té cares i et donen la cara i t'ho expliquen de tu a tu, és fantàstic, la veritat.
We have 3 generations of people joining us. We have young millennials, we've got middle-aged people, and we've got people that are mature. People that have never used instant messaging or Slack or Google Mail in the way that we expect them to use it. We have people that have never plugged a cable into a computer before or made a computer work. And in COVID times, we have to make sure that people are very independent. We don't know when we're going to be working in an office. We don't know when that time will be. So we need people to be very comfortable that when they get back home, that they're able to work effectively and independently and with confidence on all of the tools that we have.
That's the last time we'll do it for you. From now on, you do all your updates yourself.
Aquesta és l'última vegada que ho fem per vosaltres. A partir d'ara, vosaltres ho haureu de fer vosaltres sols.